In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Higgsfield AI for product promotion. By the end, you'll know how to generate compelling product images and turn them into short animated clips that are perfect for ads, social posts, and landing pages. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Higgsfield AI homepage. Give yourself a moment to get familiar with the layout. For the best results, have a clear idea of your product's key features, your target audience, and the visual tone you're aiming for. Clean and modern, bold and colorful, or something more luxurious. At the top of the site, click on Image. This takes you into the image generation workspace where you'll create the hero visuals. In the prompt box, type exactly what you want to see. Be specific about the product, the setting, the lighting, and the style. For example, instead of headphones on a table, try matte black wireless headphones on a walnut desk, soft daylight, minimal aesthetic, studio quality product photo. Then click Generate and let the system create options for you. When your results appear, browse through and select the one that best matches your brand and message. Click on the image you created to open it in detail. Look closely at textures, reflections, and composition. Ask yourself whether it would stop someone mid-scroll and communicate the benefit quickly. Now, click Animate. This moves you into the video generation flow so you can bring that still to life. In the video prompt field, describe the motion and mood you want while keeping the product front and center. You might mention gentle camera moves, dynamic lighting shifts, or a subtle reveal that highlights a standout feature. The goal is to enhance attention, not distract from the item. Next, choose a model. Different models lean toward different looks, from highly stylized to more photoreal. Pick the one that best matches your campaign's visual language. Then choose the duration. Shorter clips are ideal for social and ad placements. Think snappy, loop-friendly lengths that convey one clear message. After that, choose the quality setting. Higher quality gives you crisper detail but can take longer to render. If you're exploring concepts, start lower. For final deliverables, go higher. When everything looks good, click Generate. The system will process your request and show the finished animation when it's ready. Watch it through and make note of what works. Does the motion guide the eye to your product? Is the tone consistent with your brand? If you need a tweak, adjust your prompt, model, duration, or quality and generate again. With a few thoughtful iterations, you'll have on-brand visuals that sell.